So let me record it. Okay. So all right. So we are already on the 13th Sunday ordinary time. So uh medyo uh okay. So there's some things that you probably have missed out now. So okay, so let's start now. So we first things first. What's the first two verses talking about? Verse 37 and 38. Anong gustong i-emphasize ni Jesus?
Uh,
Muted. You're muted, Angela.
Ay, dapat po ba kaming sumagot?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Okay.
What's Jesus trying to emphasize?
Love.
We have to carry our cross.
No. First 37 and 38. The
Love.
first two verses.
Loving God through following Him.
Love God first.
Okay. Whoever loves the father or mother more than me is not worthy of me.
Yeah.
So, first things first, Jesus is emphasizing our worthiness. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi niya. If you love your mother or your father or your son or your daughter more than me, you are not worthy. So, he's emphasizing our worthiness of being with Christ. Tama ba? So here in the first two verses, he emphasized family because family is the very root of foundation of everyone. No? So sa family, dyan nag-umpisa ang life. Right? It is where, nagkakaanak. Diba? Lumalaki ang anak. Diyan tayo nabibigyan ng mga understanding, diba? That's where it begins at home, correct? So Jesus is Matthew was parang giving an example of what matters most. Okay? So, sinasabi niya na if mas mahal mo ang inyong mga father or mother or brothers, daughter or son, then you are not worthy to be with me. Okay, so it has to be Jesus or God should be above all. Okay, so that is the worthiness, no? So, but biologically, he gave a family as an example because family represents the worldly affairs. Yan yung makamundo. Biological, tatay, nanay, anak. So, it both gives life. Family gives life. And another one that gives life is Jesus or the spirituality. So, mamili kayo, ano ba ang gusto nyo? To what do you call that? Be grounded on this world or be grounded with the spirituality, which is God first, no? So it just means that neglecting God while we do our normal life affairs. No? So what does it mean? We spend most of the time allowing our parang taking care of our children or taking care of our father, and we forget our spiritual duties. No, hindi na tayo nakakasimba, hindi na tayo participate in our spiritual growth because we're too busy, probably for those who are in the corporate world, no time for family. No time. I mean, no time for God while they provide for the family. So that's what I meant. No. So that is what this worthiness is talking about. So, and how are we supposed to be worthy? Sabi ni Jesus. Ano yung next verse? Sabi niya, if you take up your cross, if you do not take up your cross,
It's not worthy.
it's not worthy of me. Okay. So here, it is for us to be worthy, it is a constant and conscious decision to pick up the cross. Okay. So we're talking about here the act of picking up the cross. We're talking about the cost of picking up the cross. We're talking about the cost of following Jesus. If you remember that one of the verse, chapter 9 of in Luke, 9:59, sabi nung isa, Jesus tell them, come follow me. Sabi nung isa, let me bury my father first, Let me say goodbye first to my family, So let the dead bury their dead. Sabi niya. So what is the cost of following? What do we willing to give? Follow Jesus. What are we what are we willing to let go to follow Jesus, And are we willing to let go of to follow Jesus to a point of leaving family or living our corporate life, our incomplacent life, or those are that constant and conscious decision to the cost of following Christ, to take up the cross and follow me. And yun nga, di ba? And to a point na ang hirap, di ba? That's why picking up the cross is very difficult. So when we say we pick up the cross, what is that you're willing to give, to get let go? But the second reading said, how do we pick up our cross? Sinabi niya dito sa verse 11. Ano ba yung verse 11? What did verse 11 say? What did verse 11 say?
For by dying he is dead to sin once and for all, and now the life that he lives is life with God.
Okay, so to pick up the cross now is you have to dead to sin. To be dead to sin. Okay, so that is the cross. So, come to think of it, ano ba yung mga crosses nyo? Ano ba yung, what is the crosses that, di ba sabi ni Angela, mahirap maging anak. Mahirap maging Sister Mars, mahirap maging nanay. Yes, it's hard. That's the decision that we make, because we know that it is a cross and we carry it, So, and sinasabi nga nila, there was this story, I don't know if you heard this, There was this guy, carrying his cross. Di ba alam natin yung cross? Mahaba yung buntot. Yung cross, di ba? Sabi niya, Lord, bigat naman ng cross ko. Sabi niya, can you cut a little sa tail, yung buntot? Sige. So, Jesus cut the cross. So, gumaang. Sabi niya, okay. Then after a while, after carrying it for so long, he said, okay. Hirap naman ito, mabigat pa rin. At palayo ng palayo ang nata-travel ko. So, can you cut a little more? Sige. All right. Jesus cut a few inches ng cross. Sige. And then finally, just, Lord, di ko na talaga kaya. Sabi niya, okay, sige, I'll cut some more. And then eventually when they got into a ravine, he saw other people crossing the ravine with their long crosses. Sa kanya, maikli na.
Hindi na
Hindi na siya maka-cross. So what's the point? No? What's the point? No? We carry the cross, no matter how heavy it is. So that makes us worthy. That is our worthiness, is picking up the cross. So, and di ba sinabi niya dito, yung what then the big question is, what is our cross? How do we carry the cross? Sinabi niya. What was his example? Was to
lose your life.
Whoever welcomes a prophet, di ba yun yung sample niya eh, di ba? Whoever welcomes the prophet
will receive
a prophet's reward. So what does it mean, welcoming a prophet? Those are instances when you are being filled with God's word. No? Those are the times when people are trying to teach you the ways of God. No? Those are, di ba mga prophet, they are, di ba, parang the voice of God. So they are the times. So if you come to look at it, sa first reading, di ba, yung Shunammite woman, she was rich. She was well known, no? So, but she had this insight that he saw a holy man in Elisha. Tama ba? He saw that Elisha was a holy man. So, in a way, her foundation is somehow with good morality. Diba? That she was so generous, the generosity of providing a room up in her house to a stranger whom she doesn't know, but she knows that you have a feeling of that this one is a prophet. He's a good man. Diba? So same things first. This is welcoming someone who is bringing in the good news of the Lord. No? So let's not someone in a way sa atin meron tayong pagka bias if we know someone we don't know and talking about this, talking about that. And we already make judgment. So again, welcoming the prophet is one of those crosses, no, that we live, no. And sabi niya, anyone who welcomes a just man or a righteous man is worthy of a righteous reward. So, and whoever gives even a cold cup of cold water to these little ones, di ba? Yun ang sabi niya. I assure you, he will not go unrewarded. So these are the crosses in a way that we carry. I mean, spiritually, no, not literally, no, not physically, no. So this one is somehow all will be rewarded. All will be rewarded, correct? And that is the generosity of Yahweh to the Shunammite women, no? Woman, di ba binigyan niya ng
child?
Binigay niya. Anong binigay niya? He gave a son a year after, di ba? So, what does it say? That what did Yahweh give? Life. And sabi ni Saint Paul, no? In verse 11, dead to sin and walk a new life. That is the new life that you walk with. No, when you carry the cross, it's a new life with Christ. Correct? Di ba? So that is the cross that you carry. That is now the life that you live. No? Yan na yung buhay na binibigay ng Panginoon sa atin. The new life. That's the reward of the gift of life. No? So, again, I would like to, sana okay yung kay Tita Mars, Ate Mars, Sister Mars na nakahibla but I'd like to rephrase it, no, if you don't mind. You said that Jesus is the reason why we are worthy. So it would have been better if we are worthy. We have to be worthy of God's grace or of God's gift if we carry the cross. No, so it is the decision. Our worthiness is not how will I say this? Our worthiness is our decision, our constant decision of carrying the cross. No, kasi kung yung kaninang sinabi mo na si Jesus is the reason why we are worthy, parang kulang eh. No, parang okay si Jesus nandyan. So what am I supposed to do? Diba? So parang it is our decision to be worthy. For us to be worthy is kailangan to pick up the cross. That we rather chose Jesus, no, so that we are worthy of His grace, no, to live a life that is new in Christ. So yan yung grace natin, correct? So this readings is medyo, I will put it in like a coin, no? The first side of the coin was, I call it the giver. No? Di ba yung first part is the giver, yung the worldly, whoever loves his mother or his father, his son or daughter, you're giving life to your family. But a life, what is that life? That life is the spiritual life you're giving to your family. So kumbaga, nauna muna ang buhay with God, a life with God, then you give that life to your family. So that I call it the giver side of the coin. The other part of the coin, the other side of the coin is the receiver. No? The receiver means this spirituality is given by someone who has wisdom. So the welcoming, the receiving of God's gift, opening ourselves to the teachings of God, to the wisdom of God. So that's the other side of the coin, which is, yun nga sinasabi ko, welcoming a prophet, welcoming a just, righteous man, will have their own reward. So ang reward is the coin. So you get to keep the coin. No? So that's your coin for your parang pambayad nyo papunta na heaven. So that is I think the Sundays so again it's about worthiness. For us to be worthy, so we have to pick up our cross. And what does the cross mean is, you are open to the wisdom of God, you are open to learn, and you will be given a new life with Christ, so that you will be able to give it to someone else. Yeah. Yeah. Medyo heavy.
It's so much. We have to what do you call this? Digest. But it's beautiful.